So this is a creamy almond dill dressing. So it's got 7 ingredients, I believe. I like 3 to 5 ingredient salad dressings, but this has got 7. I've got a half a cup of Roma tomatoes here, so that's going in. All right, I've got 2 stalks of celery. Now, celery is a good salt substitute. Stay away from salt, causes high blood pressure, all kinds of things. So I've got also 1 red pepper. I'm also going to put 2 medjool dates. And then I'm going to put in the juice of 1 lime. I love lime. It has that cooling effect on the body, and it gives it that nice flavor. I've never tried this before, so we'll see. Here, some raw almond butter. This is 4 tablespoons. Okay, now I'm going to put in some dill. This is at least a good half cup of fresh dill. So I'm going to put that dill in there and give that a swirl. Sure smells good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That definitely passes the taste test. And with a dressing like this, you are dressing for success.